Well, well, would you look at this?
Oh my god. Have you guys looked outside?
Oh boy.
Look at P2, but man, getting out is such a task. Am I willing to do it? Right? Well, good morning, I think, from day 27. Yeah. We woke up to a full-blown snowstorm. Like a foot. Yeah. Finding it a little hard to believe. We're sitting at 6,500 feet on mile marker 399.5, and we've been pummeled with some snow. So yeah, we're trying to figure out next steps. Jared doesn't have pants. He's got leggings and shorts, and we just don't have good snow gear. So this is an unexpected storm. Well, at least it was supposed to be like 1 inch to 2 inches. Somehow turned into like 7 to 11. So yeah, that is the current condition. So we are waiting for our friend to text us back and give us an update on like how low the snow is. We're right next to Highway 2, so having some potential bailout options put in place for the conditions, because the trail is completely covered. There is no trail. And there's no footsteps. This is all freshly dumped last night. So yeah, now on to figure out the next plan of action. And we're not alone. Luckily our friends camped right next to us, so it's 4 of us, and we have each other to figure this out, and that's comforting, because it'd be a little interesting if it was just us two. So I'm glad to have some friends in this journey. It's quite an adventure. I'm finding it hard to complain because it's actually beautiful out, but cold. So excited to figure out what's next and move forward.
That kind of day. It's still snowing and it's like 11:30. Whew. Whew, it was bumpy. Breaking trail, no footsteps. Kind of interesting. Kind of easy to follow too, because it's pretty flat right here. Whew. What a day. What a day. Some firewood. We're at Camp Glen, or Glen Campwood, or something like that. Check out how much snow's on the roof. Starting to see less and less snow, which is really nice. We'll take that. We're back on. We're off the highway. And yeah, it's not too bad. A little slushy. A little more rain forecasted for tonight. We'll see how that goes. Busted out the rain skirt today. First time using it. The trail's a lot better right now because we dropped down and we're heading more north. I think the storm missed a decent little part of this section. But yeah, the rain skirt works really well. Don't have rain pants, so that's a concern for tomorrow, but the wool leggings are so warm. I don't think it should be too much of an issue. Wow, so much water. Sheesh. Relentless snow today. Whew. Oh, and it's gone. No more view. Could see a little clearing out east or north east. Almost to camp. Got like 2 miles. There you go, little. Whew. Yeah.
Good morning.
What?
This is what happens when you hike 15 miles in snow. Yeah. I think it's like day 28 now. Not sure, but yeah, I didn't get to recap much yesterday. It was...
Equanimity.
Yeah, it was a rough day. Woke up to like, 7 to 11 inches of snow. And had to bust ass all day to get to where we are, which is 6,200 feet. But we went up a really big incline yesterday with lots of snow, and it was the highest part of the day yesterday. So we are here on the other side of on the downhill of the uphill, and racing to get down out of the snow as fast as we can, because it was quite a slog. It's not icy snow. Yesterday was really like crunchy packed snow, and then a lot of it was slushy.
Slush.
Yeah.
The slush is awful.
Yeah, the slush is not fun. It makes it really hard to walk in, and a lot harder too. So yeah, didn't get to record much. It was really ugly. Like, there was no visibility. We had clouds and fogs all day. Clouds and fogs. Yeah, cloud and fog all day, so couldn't see much of anything. And yeah, we were with our friends, Charlie and Emily, who were with us the whole day and the night before, so that was nice to have people with us. Almost made a decision to do a road walk, which would have been a little bit defeating, but we found some other folks who were going as well, so we decided to all stick together and tackle the snow. And glad we did, because it wasn't too bad. It was tiring, and the slushy part was sloggy, but we did it. And now we have a downhill part to this fire station, supposedly, so we will get down there and hopefully get out of the snow soon. So looking forward to no snow.
Yeah, and to dry our tent. It's soaking wet.
Yeah, our tent has been wet. We were getting pelted with wind last night that would spray water at us, basically, from our tent. So that's fun. Yeah. Hopefully get some rain or not rain, sun, and I can hopefully brush this really pretty hair right now because it's intense. Yeah, so we're getting packing up soon and heading out.
Yep.
Just left camp, hopefully getting out of snow. Looking pretty positive out that way, except for I think we go left, which is a whole different story right now, but that's looking pretty positive. Ooh, just slipped. Yeah, left camp a little early today because it was raining, and got in late last night and kind of stayed up a little late. Couldn't stop eating. Probably ate like 1,500, 2,000 calories in the tent. And And yeah, gonna go hike like 3.5 miles till we get to a breakfast spot, and then probably brush our teeth and yeah, get moving. Try to make some good mileage today. One of the views, the wind is ripping today. Wind advisory around like noon or 1. Some rain clouds coming in, it's not fun. Alright, time to get out of here onto better terrain. And this looks like the last of the snow here. About to reach that hillside. Hopefully make our way down there, or more to the left, west of that area. But yeah, still got like 35 miles, I think, to Agua Dulce. So we'll see how that goes today and tomorrow. Should be able to get there. Make some good progress.
Whew, much better spirits today. Out of the snow for now. Dry land. Very happy. Pretty close, like I don't know, a quarter mile away from this fire station where there's a water spigot and we can stop and meet our friends and eat some breakfast. But yeah, much better. It's nowhere near as ugly out. You can see, and it's such a much better start. And very excited to be on some dry land for now. I'll take it. So gonna do a little bit more hiking and then eat and then touch back in later.
Alright, just left our lunch spot, kind of by this fire station, Mill Creek. Back on trail. Got a nice incline to do right now. Should get the blood flowing, get us warm again. It just started raining, and it looks like rain all around, and the forecast today said 0% chance of rain. So yeah, I don't know what's with that. Check out these flowers. Pretty nice. All right, here we go. My, look what we got here. Hoo-wee! And just like that, we're back in the snow.
Not much.
Unusual with these oak trees, or whatever these are. They look like oak trees. One of the Sobos, that's a southbounder, someone going south, passed by us earlier, and he said Mount Gleason has like 2 to 6 inches, which hopefully is not slushed out right now. It's kind of cold. It's like, I think 40 degrees, so, and there's no sun out, so hopefully it's still holding up. This slush is so annoying.
Could be gone.
Yeah, hopefully it's gone, but we'll see. For now, this is enjoyable, cool, unusual setting. And just like that, we're back in snow. All the way up there. Oh, about 1 mile left. Whew. I'm getting hungry. I haven't eaten in like 10 miles. Or I had a tiny snack, but it felt like basically nothing. I feel like I need to eat so much food now. It's crazy. Hiker hunger. Trail's really overgrown here, as you can see. All right, here we go. I just took a late lunch. It's like 5:20. Probably spent like an hour or a little bit less. Yeah, just under an hour. I hiked over 10 miles without eating. That was a terrible choice. I was like about to crawl up to the top of the hill where we were going to take a break. And I felt like I was going so slow. I'm getting tired. I didn't sleep well last night either because of the wind. And it was so cold that the condensation on our tent, it would turn to ice or frost. And then the wind would just rattle the tent and just drop ice straight onto my face and it kept waking me up. Yeah, not that fun, but the day was pretty fun. Today's alright. The train is alright. Not my favorite area. Just filled up full water. Check out this cloud with those light rays. So nice. We're going down somewhere there. I think the ranger station's like 4 miles down below us. Whew, just 1 more mile to the ranger station. It's been a steep downhill. Right now it's a little flat, but wow, what a view for the evening. So nice.
Made it to camp. We made it to the fire station. I forgot what name it is, but we did about 21 miles and excited to be at camp. Pumping the air mattresses up.
Why, hello.
Jared's getting in. Gonna make
So
some
she's-
dinner and make some food and relax and get a good night's sleep. We finally have a campground with no slopes, so that is a very luxurious thing to have tonight. So super excited. There's quite a few people here. Most of everyone is in bed, which is interesting because it's not sunset yet, but just about.
Yeah, it's weird.
It's a little weird. Yeah. Not many people seem to like hang out after 7 p.m. But oh well. So we're gonna hang out, eat some food, eat some candy, and go to sleep. And tomorrow we will be in Agua Dulce for some town food. I'm so excited. Dinner for tonight. Smoked king salmon and a taco rice side. A rice and pasta blend. This is so good. Highly recommend these. These taste so much better than those tuna packets. Ingredient list in here for you. 200 calories for this whole packet of smoked king salmon. Look at that. 22 grams of protein. Some sodium in here, fat. Yeah, we like to eat these like once every load out because they're a little pricey, but so worth it for how it tastes and the calorie content. And here's Jared's packet. And then I top it with, he tops it with some peppercorn. And then I top mine with some fried onions to add a little bit of crunch.